I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a transaction on your Ally card, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Visit the Ally website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. This is where you will access your transaction history. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to the Transactions section in your account dashboard. Find the specific transaction you want to dispute. Step 3. Select Dispute option. Click on the transaction in question and look for the Dispute button or link. This will initiate the dispute process. Step 4. Fill out the dispute form. Complete the form with the required details, including the reason for the dispute. Be as specific as possible to avoid delays. Step 5. Review and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, it can take some time for the dispute to be resolved, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your issue sorted.